In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a YouTube banner on your phone. Okay, so the app I'm going to use to design the banner is called Canva. So you can go to the Play Store, and if you tap onto the search button, you can search and then type Canva. Okay, so search for Canva. This is free, and then you can just I'm not going to update it, I have it already, so I'm going to search and then click on Canva there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now what you can do is search for what you want to create. So I want to make let me just find the search button here. Search templates. Okay, so we want to create a YouTube banner. So type YouTube banner, YouTube channel banner. That's the size right there. Okay, just click on that first one. Okay, and now you have different templates that you can use. If you want a more professional one, you can upgrade or get a free trial, and then you can use the pro features. But for an example, you can see all the templates here, so you have a lot of templates that you can actually choose from when it comes to designing your banner. So that's perfect for a kids channel, that's a personal brand channel. So there's a lot of them here. Gaming channels, so lots of personal brand channels, gaming channels, kids channels, podcasts. It's all good stuff here on Canva. So I'm just going to select that one that I like there at the top, and you can just edit these how you like. So this wildlife vlog channel, so vlogging channels will work, that's good. Okay, so if you can click onto the template, it will load up. I'm going to click on got it. Now you can just edit it how you want. So you can change the text. So I'm going to click on the edit button there at the bottom, you can see it there, and you can just change this. So I'm just going to wildlife, I'm just going to add a name here, Dave. So if it doesn't fit, you can it's not perfect on a phone, but I'll try to get this right. So you can move it all around here. Okay, wildlife day vlog channel. Okay, I'm going to move the vlog right there. Okay, so you can play around with it how you like. You can change the picture. So if you want a picture of yourself there, you can do that. I'm just going to center this so that looks good. So like for example, that looks like you can't change that man picture, so that is fine, but you can change the other stuff. You can put another clip art there if you want, but that looks pretty good. So once you've perfectly designed your banner, you can see the download button there at the top right. Click the download. It's going to save the image. Okay, so it's preparing your design. I'll just wait for that. Okay, what's this? Okay, I'm going to click on more. I don't want any of these apps, I just want to download it. Okay, so save to gallery. So I'm going to go out of Canva, go to my gallery, and here you can see this is the banner. It looks pretty good for YouTube. Then you can just upload that. You want to change the website if you have a website. Okay, but that's how simple it is to design a banner for YouTube. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.